Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop the automatic updates in your Windows 11. To stop the automatic updates, first you're just going to the search bar and search for services. Search for services, click on that. And after opening the services, you need to find a services here called Windows Update. So you just need to scroll down and find this Windows Update. Double click on it. Now if you see there's the option of startup type, now you just have to choose this disabled here. Now click apply. Then you just need to go to the recovery option, and if you see a fast failure option, click this option and choose this take no action option and click apply and OK. Then again go to the Windows Update, double click to open this, and as you can see my service status is running now. So you just need to stop this. Click on this stop button. It will stop the services and just click OK. And that's it. This is how you stop the automatic updates in Windows 11. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.